Your red flag, but your friends write it. Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video, I will show you how to do this viral trend right here. So keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen. And here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my page, you have to go to 2022 sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So go to highlights at 2022. And here you have to click until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it, it's the last one. Here you have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a video tutorial, a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let's do our story and then I will show you how to solve your problem. So from here you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. You can choose a photo with you if you like. I will go with this photo right here. You can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller. And now you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen and then go to questions. And here you can type in what you like. You can say red flags here. And you can also go to emojis and select the red flags just like this. You can select the color from here. And once you're happy with it, you have to click on the done button from the right top corner and place your sticker where you want. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, on my Instagram page, you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, which is a video tutorial, which has only 2 minutes and it's really useful and easy to follow. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.